Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal Pay in 4 in Store. First, confirm you have an active PayPal account with a linked payment method, such as a debit card or bank account. Next, download the official PayPal mobile application to your smartphone or tablet. This app is essential for in-store use. This convenient feature lets you spread out the cost of your purchases, making budgeting simpler and more manageable for larger items. When you are ready to pay at the store, open your PayPal app and tap the Scan or Pay icon. The app will then guide you to either scan the merchant's QR code or generate a unique one-time barcode for the cashier to scan. Make sure to choose the Pay in 4 option if it appears for your eligible purchase. This smooth process allows for quick and secure transactions right at the checkout counter. Your purchase amount will be neatly divided into 4 equal, interest-free installments. The initial payment is due immediately at the point of sale. The remaining 3 payments will then be automatically scheduled every 2 weeks from that date. You can easily view your payment schedule, make early payments, or update your funding source anytime within your PayPal account, giving you full control over your finances. Remember that Pay in 4 is an offer, and approval depends on various factors, including your PayPal history. It is crucial to make all scheduled payments on time, as missing one can result in late fees and affect future eligibility. Always review the specific terms and conditions for each purchase, understanding any maximum or minimum spending limits to ensure a smooth and beneficial experience every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.